Yo, good morning, my boys. You know, we're gonna start it off with breakfast for champions right here. You drink one of these a day, take the kidney stones away. No, I'm kidding. We're out here, and I don't know where, out, in the hood. Well, yeah. So I was driving and I don't know where, but we're on a slick mission today. I gotta drive like an hour and some change. And yeah, just enjoy the ride. We're gonna get there. I might have done something pretty dumb. Yeah, another financial mistake. So we'll see what we gotta do. Can we get some for the boys? Man, no cap. I'm kind of bored, bro. There ain't nothing to see out here but trees. It's like a one-way road, so kind of slick. Bored, but not really. But yeah, man, we'll get there in a little bit and you see what I bought. So yeah, they're at. Woo! Look at that, my boys. And it's a Plaid. Sheesh. But do you see that 86 over there, bro? Let me try to get a reaction. Ready? Alright, one. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo. Dude, that's so crazy that it's just like driving by itself.
See, that says a Plaid. Yeah, just tuck it down.
Tuck it down?
Yeah, there you go.
I'm going 50. It's not even. Alright, so now that I'm home, yes, I traded the GTR for the Tesla. Now look at it. Let me change it. Wait. Psych, motherfuckers, you think I can afford a Tesla? This is what I really bought. Don't mind that. Where the fuck is this shit? Oh. Ooh, you know what this is, my boys. You know what that is. We better go on these hoes. But on a real note, I could afford a Tesla if you keep sharing these videos. But look, ooh, we got that. I'm gonna wrap this, and tomorrow I believe I'm gonna be wrapping another car. I gotta get a video for that, and I'm finishing up the Z over there. Can you see over there? Yes, sir.